Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and also the Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you how you can use the equalizer of the Galaxy wearable application. So let's open the app, then open charging case. And right now I think that some of you have a struggle with that, because when you try to change from the normal, for example, to dynamic, you can just pull that little trigger to change it and you just cannot, right? It's not easy, but it's very simple. You have to just simply tap on the name of the mode like that, and you don't have to try to switch it manually like that. In some cases it will be maybe happen, but it's weird sometimes and doesn't work. So the easiest method is just to simply tap on the name of the mode. So if you want to switch from the dynamic to the buzz boost, you have to click on it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.